get you guys to come in. And as you enter the door, let me have you to wipe your feet by hitting that like button. We appreciate it, and we're gonna get this thing rolling. So I want to shoot a quick walkthrough video from our TikTok audience. I appreciate all the likes, the comments, the shares you guys have been giving me on this trading education. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full walkthrough of a trade idea we have. So as always, you know, we word Dior. Do your own research and never risk more than you can afford to lose. So here we have GBP USD. It's going to be an interesting trade. As you guys can see here, we actually caught a trade that gave us over 800, close to about 900 pip swing trade, almost in one direction. So we can see we're at similar levels. So we're going to be itemizing and tracking our stock in this trade. So a couple of things we see here from the jump. These sellers were able to keep a lid on this ceiling around a 127.68-ish mark. Now we need sellers to stay in control of that area, and if we get any downside momentum, we are going to be taking this trade around 126.80. Now this all is educational information, and we do have a couple of confluences that we can trade off of. Now we can see that the RSI has been tilting lower while price has been going up. It's going to give us a divergence, showing us that alignment or misalignment will need to be resolved here moving forward. So we're going to be watching this trade like a hawk, but as you guys know, we don't like to be one-dimensional and only look at technicals. We are going to take a look at some things that's going to going on behind the charts. I did also see, or we also seeing the potential for our pattern traders of a small head and shoulders kind of forming here. So behind the charts, let's take a look at that. We do see sentiment. Our net traders have started or have now became net long for the first time since December 22nd, 2023. So it's not too big of a signal, but they're showing people are getting more greedy towards this pair. So next thing we're going to take a look at here is, let's look at the COT report. So we can see in the British pound futures, looks like the big boys, the commercials, are starting to go more short, while the speculators are, the less smart money I should say, is starting to go long. So we can see generally when they are going long, price tends, or we could be towards the potential of a reversal. So we're not as lopsided or diverged as we have been in the past, but there are a few other things that's going on that could elevate and push this trade in our direction. So let's also take a look here at the US dollar. So it looks like speculators are starting to go heavily short, while commercials are the smart money starting to go long. So those are a couple of confluences we're looking at this trade, and we're going to keep our eye on this. Again, our entry is not going to be till about 126.80, 126.70. So we do see price get there. We'll go to it, and we have any type of confluences or confirmations for that trade. We're going to go ahead and take that to the downside. So I did want to give you guys the free trade signal or opportunity of the week. Hope you guys enjoy this. Looking to throw some more out there. We appreciate all your time. Peace, love, light.